trying to plan what's next here. As you can see, I've got a lot of stuff going on, and the weeds are growing faster than I can keep up. I just got my strawberry plants in the mail today, so I need to get those towers planted up and ready to go. I'm going to move the greenhouse back into the garage so that those seeds can get started and get a good head start on what I want to do. I've already planted one of the green stalks. I've got this other one behind me here to do, and I ordered another one. I ordered the short one, the leaf one, because I watch some YouTube channels, and Roots and something or other, can't remember what it is, was having a special sale where you got 50 bucks off. So it's, if you use the code ROOTS10, you can get $50 off of any one of these towers. So I ordered one for strawberries because I've got these strawberry plants, I've got some other strawberry plants. I want to do both everbearing and June-bearing strawberries. So obviously it's still windy out here, and I'm going to need to keep a hold of my camera because it's going to end up broken because we just did the old heave-ho over there. So I'm going to enjoy my coffee. I've got my journal here so that I can make some notes. I need to pick up some, I need to pick up some more potting soil so that I can pot that stuff up. So I'm going to go shop. My gloves are going. You see how bad the wind is here today? It's been windy and worse than this. This is a low wind. It's been worse than this for the last 2 days with rain and wind, and not exactly gardening weather, but I do have a few things that I wanted to show you. My bleeding heart over here is blooming. It's blooming. It's looking really good. The transplants that I did, the blue columbine, they've perked up. Let me walk around and show you a few things. Get a sip of my coffee first and nail my gloves down so they don't blow away, okay? So, yeah, get up and show you a few things. So here's some strawberries I'm gonna transplant. These are some of the things that I picked up the other day. I moved my little water bird bath over here. That has a light in it so it glows at night. But look at this begonia, guys. Hasn't this just turned into something luscious? Just a couple of days out here and some water, and look at the gorgeousness of that. My hosta down here has started to pop up through the rock. That's one of those pieces that I'm going to use on top of here. I've got some more pots that I want to plant, and so I'm going to use those for structure. I had those out in the garden last year, but they kept falling over in the wind because we get terrible wind. So there's the other begonia over there in the fence that I painted. But let's come around this way. Bird seed all over the ground because the birds have been having a high old time. You can see that the chives have seeded everywhere. I need to mow because my chive yard is just taking over. And this is the area that I mulched, but look at the chives popping up out here in the middle of this mulch. Is this crazy or what? It's just all of that I mulched, and it's got chives popping up all through there. Chives popping up here. The other thing that I get is the creeping Charlie, and I'm trying to eradicate this creeping Charlie, but it's hard to do. So here's my bleeding heart over here against this fence. Isn't that pretty? And I didn't expect that this would survive because, you know, I've been digging and doing all kinds of stuff in here. That's all the weed patch and the mess I've got to clean up yet. What a mess. I don't know if I had some horseradish over here. Yeah, it survived. survived all the digging and stuff. That's horseradish. So I'll clean that up and make that look like something, and backfill and get rid of the dandelions. And yeah, lots of work to do out here. So the green stalk's looking really good. There it is. It's planted with all of those herbs and things. I need to get it watered again today. See how well these have taken, the sage, so everything's doing really well. So I'm kind of happy with how things are right now. It's a work in progress, it is what it is. And as I continue to, build my garden, I've got those areas out front that need to be planted too. So the lilacs over there are old and overgrown. I think I want to cut those down this year and have them come up from the roots and see if I can't get more blossoms on that. So that's another task for me to do. But let's go shop. So I'm out at Sam's and the wind is just horrible. I wanted to show you that they had a good deal on the potting mix. It was about $12 for these big bags. So I got 5 of those to fill the new containers that I've got coming. The deer have been up here. They've eaten down my heuchera and my sweet potato vine. So I'm going to have to do something more to protect things. So anyway, I'm about blown away for today. The animals and the wind and everything are getting ahead of me. I did get some dirt potting soil mix. Hopefully the rest of the stuff arrives. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so I won't be out in the garden. I did get the watering done, so thumbs up for the gardeners. See you later, guys.